Smile more, bro. Smile more. Listen, so this video, it's not gonna be, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you to be a goofball, give huge fake smiles. You know, we've all seen those people that you're talking to them and they're just giving you a huge fake smile. I'm not saying to do all that. I'm not saying to be a goofball, but give real, genuine smiles when the time is necessary. You know, if you see me out in some of my vlog style videos, I'm always smiling when I'm around my friends. You see me out at party, bar, club, etc. I'm not saying to go party your ass off, but every once in a while when you see me there, I'm always smiling, having a good time. And, you know, nobody likes Mr. Tough Guy. You know, you've seen those YouTube pranks where Mr. Tough Guy tries to act all big, burly, tough guy. And it's that guy that gets the most hate in the comments. And you all know that guy at parties, always getting into fights, trying to be Mr. Tough Guy, mean mugging everybody. You don't want to be that guy.
I'm the guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
You know? So, in social situations, smiling conveys openness, acceptance, trust. It shows you're interested. It shows you're comfortable, happy, and satisfied. People want to be around a comfortable, happy guy. You know, like I said earlier, nobody wants to be around Mr. Tough Guy. And they also don't want to be around a person that's just fake smiling everywhere. You just don't want to come off as fake. Give genuine smiles, big smiles when needed, when times are necessary, something funny just happened. And when you're talking to somebody, you know, just look at them with a little smirk. And you don't have to do a full-blown smile, but a little smirk is fine. Interesting studies show, actually, that smilers appear more likable, competent, and they tend to make more money in their careers. So, interesting study. Like I say in some of my other videos, correlation does not always equal causation, but it's very interesting. So, if you're conscious about your teeth, I do have a video. If you're conscious about them not being white enough, if they're a little yellow or whatever, brown, I do have a video on how to get white teeth at home for very cheap. It's like $10. You go watch that video. And if you have crooked teeth or you have gaps and stuff, I did too. Save up some money, go get a job, save up some money, and get braces or Invisalign. I currently have Invisalign right now. I'm on my last set of Invisalign, so my teeth are straight now. Happy about that. They're nice and white because of my at-home remedies. And there's surprising health benefits of smiling too. Smiling releases cortisol and endorphins. And when cortisol is released and endorphins are released, your body reduces blood pressure, increases endurance, reduces pain, reduces stress, and strengthens your immune system. So that's amazing benefits. Smile more, bro. Smile more. This goes to everybody. Like I said, you don't want to be the guy that goes out and you're with a group of friends, you're just mean mugging everybody, trying to be Mr. Tough Guy. Nobody wants to be around that guy, you know. Be the happy guy, the guy that likes to have fun, comfortable, try to talk to new people. Yeah, smile more. So many benefits. People are going to like you more. And tomorrow's video, well, I'm filming it tomorrow. It might be out in 2 days, but I'm going to be talking about becoming the more likable social person. I myself, I was not always an extroverted person. I always wanted to be extroverted, but I was very shy. So I was like an introverted extrovert. Once I felt comfortable with you and I was in my friend group, then I was extroverted, but I had a lot of trouble meeting new people. And now that's my biggest strength. I would argue that's one of my biggest social strengths. Whenever I go out to a party, a bar, or whatever, I meet at least like 10 new people that night, and I get new numbers and all that. I'm not saying just with girls, just in general, just making friends. So yeah, that's gonna be tomorrow's video. I'm gonna go over how my personal life, how I learned to be more outgoing and extroverted, and a huge part of it is literally smiling more. When you smile, you yourself feel more comfortable, and you're perceived as being more comfortable, and it's a win-win situation. So that's all for today's video. Bang, bang, guapo out.